towards Estacada. Now I've got the windshield off, as you can see, pretty obviously. So it's going to be pretty windy most likely. I mean, it's blowing me back, but I'm so used to riding with a windshield now. This will be good. I really like that feeling of freedom you get with the air blowing in your face. I've got all the vents open in my jacket, so it's blowing through like a wind tunnel. I've never been on any of these roads, so I'm not going to be hauling ass or anything. Should probably get a better helmet. Oh, that's an elevation. The flags all look like they're in a parade. I think I'm going to Estacada. I don't really know. It's unfortunate. Check out this video of a Toyota. Someone's going to pull out, like even when you can't see. And I know this because I did that when I was a kid, riding my bicycle around, pulled out in front of somebody and they had to panic brake on gravel. It's totally my fault. Sweet about this camera, it does really good image stabilization. That was really why I picked it. It's pretty sweet. Check out that sky, huh? It's almost like The Simpsons. Not quite. About 1 hour from here is where the Simpsons creator grew up. Neither one of those says Estacada. This way? Actually forgot. Damn. I should check. Gotta wave at these cats. What up? I don't think they can hear me. Well, they're probably coming from somewhere far south. We're going to that road I got off of, which I didn't film, but it was pretty sweet. That look like cop cars but aren't, except some of them are. Check my directions. Make sure I'm not going to the wrong place. It's very important. Yeah, I went the wrong way. Alright, 237. Bike week? I'm down. I'm not sure if this is Damascus or what. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we're leaving Damascus, Oregon. A place I've never been. I still haven't really been. Just turn around here. Because it's not where I want to go. Where I do want to go is Estacada, Oregon. Because apparently the highway just south of Estacada is the third nicest motorcycle road in Oregon. According to those who, well, some guy with a website. Frankly, I think the best road in Oregon is anywhere that you pretty much go on a bike with some twisties. I like to have some elevation changes that aren't speed bumps. Mountains are nice. Actually, I've raced it. Well, I don't know if race is the right word. I had a spirited run with a GT3 Porsche on Bald Peak once. It absolutely kicked my ass. I was on a sport cruiser. It was a little bit lighter than this bike. I'm not skilled of a rider to the point where I could scrub tires around the corner and not die. I would definitely high side if I tried to do something like that. I think you have to practice out on a real small bike or else just crash it a couple of times. Got a lot of track practice. Trailer, what are you doing? Frisbee golf is a sport that requires drug-free zone. Yeah, that's what I was actually going to talk about. Drug-free zone. But the Frisbee golf course was right outside of the drug-free zone. Because I don't know that there's any point in doing Frisbee golf if you're not on something. Always drunk. Hey, what's up, dude? Why do they put it down like that? Right hand up means slow down. Maybe left hand down means go fast. That's cool. We're going to go there. Well, I'm going to go there, but you're along for the ride, so we're all going to go there. We're all in this together, right? Okay. Got some regenerative braking there. It's fancy. Again, I've never been on any of these roads ever, so I have no idea what they hold in store for us. We're stuck behind this guy for a while, so that's okay. I assume he's been here before. Weird ass lack of rhythm. Got some gravel. Got some wood. We're going through all the elements. Yeah, I like to put all my weight on the front tire when I'm... Fuck that. Prius dope. Shit. Stuff. Gotta train myself to stop swearing. I don't really know why. It's a YouTube thing. 30. Feels like walking speed. I can't actually walk 30 miles an hour. Okay. Close that tree. Alright. Oh, damn. Out better. Go on a day when there aren't any Priuses. I don't know how you do that. There's like no cars around. No, that's not entirely true. Oh, that's a diesel. So 90 was my comfortable cruising speed on the Sport Cruiser on country roads. Usually a little bit more rural than this. There are a lot of driveways. Visibility's pretty good here, but I don't think I'd be going 90 right here. Well, that's what I say. But honestly, yeah, no, I'd be going 90 here. Sigurd Road. That's Swedish. Got the name Sigurd animals. CCP flag for a minute. It looked like it. Wait, oh, motherfucker! Oh, there's that swerve. That son of a bitch didn't wave at me. I'm gonna go back and kick his ass. Ground eggs. They don't taste any different than the white or the green ones, honestly. At least I can't tell the difference. I think the difference is more on the individual chicken itself. I just went through some bugs, so hopefully there aren't any on the lens. So hopefully there are not any on the lens. I cannot enunciate for some fucking reason. I've got like 200 cubic feet per minute like blowing right through my nose. My face here. That's the opposite of wearing a mask. So we're right in the middle of this fucking COVID pandemic. I've been wearing a mask, you know, have to work in healthcare. Pretty irresponsible not to work with immunocompromised patients and all that. But most people aren't wearing them. And really, that's like I'm helping them and they're not helping me. That's sort of how that works. The risk of infection, if you both wear a mask and you stay 6 feet apart, risk of infection is really low. If one person's wearing a mask and the other one isn't, then the person who is not wearing a mask, the person who's talking to the person wearing a mask has a lower likelihood of being infected. But the person who is wearing the mask and is talking to the non-mask wearer, yay! Alright, that guy was awesome. I'll send him a gift basket later. It's not going to be. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. So if there's one person wearing a mask and other people aren't, the dude wearing the mask is the one at risk. So it's pretty fucked. America is not the most altruistic, apparently. But also there's this whole anti-science thing. Which is why we're here. We want to talk about politics. Definitely. You can't really politicize science. That's sort of the opposite of what you can do. We're going the right way. Pretty out here. You can see the Priuses and the trees. Go slow and let that guy get away from us. So then the guy back will start honking. Just can't win with these people, I tell you. A lot of dust in there making them blue like that. What up? Motherfucker! Let's hold it down. I should just like put a little. That's a good idea. Wildcat Mountain Drive. That sounds cool. Eagleford Park. These are some badass names. I don't really understand Eagleford enough. Look at the bears. You can't see anything. Off the back of this thing. Ghostbusters pulled out in front of us. speed on bikes. I'm bringing all these different bikes, and I can never tell how fast I'm going. It's funny because in the car, I know exactly how fast I'm going, well, within like 2 or 3 miles an hour. But on a bike, I have to look down and check. His girlfriend one time, and we were planning a trip to Mexico, and I don't know, we were talking, well, we were planning a trip to Mexico, but also we were talking about if you get lost in the woods. I said just go downhill and you'll usually find water, unless you're in a mining quarry or something, and you can usually, where there's water, you follow a stream down, eventually find civilization and the coast, or you'll die in a ravine. But the area we were talking about was obviously not too remote. So anyway, and she's like, so that always goes south, right? And I'm like, what do you mean? She's like, if you go downhill, you're going south. I'm like, and I just mentally facepalmed pretty hard. And it took a minute. I had to explain to her that going south and going downhill are very different things. For example, if you are at the North Pole, all directions go south. But the North Pole is not at the top of a hill. And the reverse is also true. The South Pole, which, well, I don't think it's at the top of a hill, but, all roads going north, South Pole. That's not even getting into, like, magnetic drift to the pole. Magnetic north. They're going to flip sometime, and that'll be interesting. I don't think I'll be around for that, but I imagine it'll be some positive. I'm confident it's going to work. See if we change weather patterns. It'd be cool if everywhere got northern lights for a while. wide mode doesn't allow you to use the same image stabilization. Also, I kind of didn't like it. It looks more fisheye. I don't really like that look. This is wide mode. Linear mode doesn't really, it's just a pretty narrow field of view. I like this best. Still going downhill pretty sharply. A lot of downhill. Not a lot of uphill. Some good old boy doing good old boy things. Hopefully that doesn't include good old boy things. Man, it really sucks, the ugliness of America. If they could just get past that, eradicate that kind of thinking, there's so much good to the country. It's really beautiful. Flavor of the country is fantastic. You got to get rid of the racism. You're outsiders. costs like $4. So